What's going on there, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, Project Flip. Today I got a special guest with me. That guy. Pac-Man shirt. Eating other Pac-Man. Men. Anyways, today we're going to be working on his vehicle. That thing. We're going to be doing some things and stuff to the other things and stuff with some parts and things and stuff. So stay tuned for some more things and stuff. We'll let you know what it is.
What we need to do first is open your cap. It needs to be loose for brake stuff. Then gather your tools, and it's good to always have all your tools so you're not running back and forth like a crazy person. So we have brake fluid here. We have other tools in a 30's trunk. We got the good old Brembos for the rear. We got ATE pads. And we got some lines that we're going to be putting on. Also, we have the brake sensor. Those are some of the parts we're going to be putting on today. And it's a 30-year-old car, so shit could happen. So, you're going to need your brake bar because some things might be tight. Other than that, we got a lot going on today, so let's see what happens.
So we're just going to use our hands to get all the nuts and bolts off? Our fingertips?
We don't have any electronic tools.
We're just going to use the tips?
Just the tip.
You're fucking weird. Alright, so what he meant to say is, this is his very ancient car here. What year is this?
1990.
It is a 1990 BMW E30. What we're going to be doing today is we're going to be taking off the rear wheels, of course. We're going to be changing the rear brakes, the rotors, and the brake lines. So we got our hands full for a little bit here. We don't know how badly corroded everything is because this is an old car. So, Mr. Dknyte here, why don't you introduce yourself?
Well, yeah, my name is Dknyte. I have a channel, Dknyte Media, and we'll be working on cars on that channel. You know, I have a truck, it's right behind here. We'll be working on that too also.
Nice big brown dookie.
And I have another vehicle, but it's just a daily. But this is the baby here, so we're going to be working on her, getting her situated, so we can have some fun in this car in the future.
Alright, don't sound too enthused there, but yes, that is the plan here today, guys. We are going to be working on the BMW today, so we're just kind of getting some things together. So why don't we go ahead and get the tools pulled out, get the car jacked up, and get things going. Let's do it! Dun 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 dun. We are gonna need this. Oh, no? We don't need that to work on your car?
No.
Alright, fine.
I don't know if Germans fish.
That's a good question. Why don't you Google it?
We should Google that. They probably have better fish than we do.
It's been a while since I had tools. Do you even have a jack? Because my jack doesn't work, so I got the actual jack.
I got that jack too. And I got the BMW jack, but those are known to destroy your BMW.
Ford jack it is. Let's
Yeah.
get her done. A little bit of meat left. Alright guys, so take a look down here. This is going to be one of the brake lines we're going to be replacing. The other one's a little hidden back here, but don't know if you can see it. I'll try to get my hand. Oh, almost knocked the camera. Hopefully you can see my hand. Way back here, that's the other line. We're going to be doing that to both sides. Squeeze myself back out. And then, of course, you can see these things are destroyed. Destroy. I'm all trying to turn the disc on the outside. Damn, even the outside's all jacked. Horrible. Just horrible.
But that's the people before me. That will never happen again.
That is very true. Dknyte takes care of his cars. We all take care of our cars. And we all just want to show our process. So in case you guys are doing the same thing, this will help you along. So we're not certified mechanics. We are just out here working on our own vehicles. We are car enthusiasts like you. That's why you're tuning into our channel. So if you haven't done so already, please go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget, Dknyte with Dknyte Media, my boy right here. He's going to be doing his channel on this E30. He'll have some truck videos, that big monster on the other side of us right here, but mainly on this E30. So if you guys love BMWs, check him out. I'll put a link to his description down below. Don't forget about him. But right now we're just taking a little breather. We're just getting our game plan together, getting our tools together right now so we can move on to the next step, and let's get a little dirty. We ran into a little issue here with the changing out the e-brake pads. It was a little bit of a pain in the ass here, but we got it done. We're getting the brake line, finishing up the last little bit of the brake lines here, just the outer ones. We're going to take care of the inner brake lines in a little bit because we didn't think we were going to kill so much time with the e-brake pads because, yeah, they were just not lining up like how we wanted. But also too, I don't know if you can see it here, the contrast of the phone is kind of changing the sky, but we got a nice little storm coming in, so we are trying to get things done right now. So we're gonna go ahead and get this knocked out, take it for a little test drive here and see what happens. That's all I can really say at this point. There is a broken link down in the e-brake line down here. Kind of had to rig something up to put something together. It is holding, but it was a tight fitment just to get the rotor back in. But pretty shiny, right? It's always a plus. All right, let us finish up. We'll see what we'll get you up to speed here once we get this done. I just do not want to be having rain dumping on us. You hear that? This is what we get to deal with. My green car getting washed. Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do when you ain't got a shop, you ain't got a garage, man. Just gotta keep doing it. It'll get done. All right, so we just finished up. We're just putting the wheels on now. There, Dknyte's putting it on. Boop. So, bled the brakes. Everything's checking out. Everything's good to go. No funny noises. Brake pedal's nice and firm. Dknyte, you happy?
Yeah, I need to do my sandwich.
Needs a sandwich. Where's the sandwich? Food. Alright, well, anyways, that's our adventure for today. Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate you guys. Appreciate my current subscribers. If you're new to this channel, please do me a favor. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button. It'll do me a huge favor. As you know, Dknyte here is getting his channel popping. It's going to be about this E30, so if you are BMW lovers, go ahead and subscribe to his channel as well. I'll put a link in the description for you. Thank you again for tuning in. Until the next time, guys. Alright, so I know I was ending the film, but we're in the BMW. You can see BMW. So we're just kind of doing the test drive. He's testing out the brakes. So far, so good. So just wanted to make sure that you guys got to see the update. is a $1,000 phone. Bye.